So if you're looking for some effect like this, I mean, print it onto your like products package, or you want to print something like this. So you see the whole effect is stunningly beautiful. So now we are in the showroom of our company. So we make the printing machinery, and we are located in Tangshan, Yutian County. So it's one of China's printing machinery hub. So a lot of the supply chain here is doing the work around the printing machinery. So you can see this. So this is all the demo work we have been doing, and you can see this one is very interesting. So you can see this coating effect is very unconventional and it's very cost friendly. So you can see we can make the whole thing like the coating very shining, and you can actually feel the 3D effect here, not only visually but from the whole touch. It's a 3D effect. Alright, so we just not only have the manufacturing capacity, but we also have our own R&D and a strong sales team, I mean after sales team, so we are able to make the product, I mean customized to your needs. Let's see, we have the designers and engineers right here to do the R&D work. They are now working on some of the graphic, designing the different parts of our machinery. There's another engineer now is working on software. We have been shipping products, I mean we've been selling products from China to many countries, especially to the US market. So every year we'll ship around hundreds of our products to the United States and other parts of the country like Europe, Middle East, and Southeast Asia. And now we are also starting to do the domestic market in China, where we have a very big advantage in terms of the features, pricing, everything. So this is one of the workshops we make our products. On this hand, some of the products are not ready. So I'm going to show you a few machines which is ready. These two are actually they're doing the same work. You want to see this one? So some of the demos I have shown previously, the package, you know, the painting, actually made by this one. It's digital UV and a coater with cold fill. It's very easy to use. So basically, you will when we put materials right here. So it can be a package, it can be metal, it can be just paper, it can be like a flat plastic material. And then work on the computer, you just simply upload the files, a JPEG or TF format pictures, and then you can print all the things you want all the way from here. And so this is some of the work from this machine. You can see. Probably you can only see the visual effect, but you can see the whole touch. It's definitely a 3D effect. Like this, it can be multi-color coloring. You can see this it's dragon, the whole shining effect, and there's 3D effect. All right. So this is the bigger one, and also this is the smaller one. Yeah. And those stuff are the coating machine. So if you have like a digital printer, you want to do the UV coating for the films, papers. So this is the machine. All right. So this is our workshop. So we have the manufacturing capacity, we have the R&D capacity, and of course we also have a very strong support team. So when you want to have something special, for example customized, where you have your own idea about making a printer, we are able to help. And also we have the manufacturing capacity. So as you can see here, this is just 1 hour workshop. All right, so this is it. This is our company, and we'd love to work with you. So you have any requirements in terms of making a printer for yourself, or just buying a printer, or anything else, in terms of printing machinery, you can always contact us. And we are located Hebei Province, in China. So remember us. So see you soon.